Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Glad you guys could make it. Just to let you know, today we are going to be picking up right where we left off from our intro to Carrd.co series. Carrd.co series. And if you're new to the channel and you missed that video, be sure to check it out. It covers all the basics you need to know to get started with the Carrd.co platform. Now, just as a quick refresher, Carrd.co is a simple website builder. Literally allows users to create simple, responsive one-page websites for personal and business use. When I mean the limit to creativity is endless, it is really endless. It's super easy, super user-friendly, easy to navigate. I think it's a great way to showcase your work, promote your product online. So for today, that's what I'm going to be doing today with you. I'm going to show you how simple it is to create your own landing page for, let's say, hypothetically, a digital product. So what I'm going to do is I am going to randomly create a name, or rather have a name here in general, and we're just going to give it a look and feel so you can understand like how stupidly simple this is. So if you've been struggling with figuring out how to monetize your work or just want to take your digital presence to the next level, you're definitely going to like this. All right, that's enough talking. Without further ado, let's get to it. All right, here we are. The website is Carrd.co. As you know, I like to post the link in the bottom of the description of every episode and podcast episode as well. Of course, you have to go through the login registration, register your account, sign up to the email, verify, all that good stuff. Once you take care of those beginning parts, this is the very first screen you're going to see. As you can see, we have the free tier. It's advertising here. Pro, we're not going to worry about that because we could do a lot of great things just in this Carrd platform in itself for the free version. So as you see, we have no sites. First thing first, we're going to go to new sites. As we go to new sites, there is a plethora of sites. Not plethora of sites, but a plethora of templates that you can use for your sites. As you can see, there are a lot of free templates here. And the biggest way you can determine what's free from what's pro, I'm going to show you right now. Upper right hand corner, are you seeing here? Pro. But like I said, that does not limit you. This thing has so much potential with the freeze. It's super easy. So in today's episode, like I said, I'm going to be pretending that we are a copywriting service and I want to sell my digital product on tips. So if I want to get that situated, I want to have an associate as well because I want to make things as fluid as possible. So I don't want to do any amount of code. I just want a simple plug and play. I want the e-commerce to be handled on its own. So I am also going to be using this site to handle my digital product services, which is Gumroad. If you're not familiar with it, you can literally sell a lot of your digital products on here. It's easy. Once you set it up, they handle all the transactions, make it super simplistic for you. I've known plenty of people to build an empire with this. So without further ado, let's get to the basic. So like I said, we're a copywriting business. I'm going to go to the landing page because I already have something in mind that will definitely put this out there. Now, not an expert whatsoever, but I'm just going to do a quick hash of a design from the template that is given, just to give you guys a feel of how to get it done. So the one I'm looking for, there's one that's specifically awesome, and it is random product. I'm going to show you the demo right quick. So this is a demo. You just keep scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. Right? Okay, perfect. So we're going to use this template. I'm going to go back. We're going to use this template. And I am going to, I'm going to call this title the name of the company business. Of course, this is freestyle for you, so you could do whatever you want. Now, if I went too fast, the basic way to just simply edit everything, let me exit out here. You're going to highlight what you want. Right here at the bat, you can add your own logo. We can add our own logo. Of course, you have an idea, you grab it from your images, simply upload it, case in point. Now, if you don't want it, you could just simply hit delete here, which we can do, and we have successfully deleted. Or if you don't like that and you want to keep it again, just simply hit this, the undo. For the sake of this, I'm just going to do a little quick speed through, so I'm just going to delete because I don't feel looking for any pictures and all that. So, random product. I was thinking about, for the copywriting service company, I was thinking of Word. Oops. I'll do it over here because all editing is in the toolbar on the left. Wherever you click, that toolbar is where you will edit. So I'm going to call this Word Smithery. Right? Let's just say dedicated to helping provide excellent copywriting services and tips for your business. As you can see, I spelled it wrong. Just simply autocorrect. Boom. Right? Now, this button, when you click on this button, you actually can do a lot with this. So we can simply allow it to scroll down. We can simply have it linked to a newer link. But for this case, we're just going to say scroll down. And we can actually change the name of it. So as the label, we're going to hit scroll down. Scroll down. Boom. Got it. Cool. We're going to hit done. Now, we have the background. The background is black. Let's work on changing the background. How do we go about doing that? Simply, we're going to click in the background area, and we are going to look for here, style and image. Now you have different options. You could do image, color, videos, slideshow. It's completely up to you, but for the sake of this, I'm going to just pick from the library, and because it has pencils, I'm just going to take this, and then boom, right? Awesome. Now, like I said, let's say before, if you wanted to add a picture right above word Smithery, you can hit add element, which is right here, add image. You can literally drag it up, and drag it up, boom, right in there. And then you can add the picture. But that's not what this is about, but I'm just giving you options of what you can do. Of course, you can fool around right here within these two. You can say, I don't know, CEO. It depends. Like I said, this is all your flavor. I'm just trying to give you an idea of how you can fool around with this. Of course, you're free to use whatever options you would like to put in here. CEO of the business, I'm going to just say Isaiah River. Fictitious name creation here, folks. Folder, let's just call it folders, let's say everything you need to know. Once again, like I said, this can easily be edited or filtered for what you want. I'm just trying to get at least a little bit more prettier. Be a better copywriter. I'll put it in here. Be a better copywriter with these tips. Boom. Right? Calls. Take you out. Not really sure. But like I said, you could add anything. Pricing. Cost of product. Unimportant right now to us. This part we can easily change. We can make this let's see, just default 1. Done. We're gonna say this. You know what? We could add the picture. So here's the picture. Boom. Make it bigger. Boom. That way we are marketing the product. Of course, like I said, you can make this bigger if you want. You could change the image if you want. Within these tips ebook. Let me just call it ebook as it is an ebook. Boom. Right? Learn more. Of course, it can be dictated how you want, but we're scrolling down. Cost of the product, we're gonna say this costs I don't know, just says costs $5. Now buy now. Alright, perfect. Like I said, this is just really, I just wanted to show you the design specs of how quick and easy this can be done. You literally can build this, you know, in like within 15 minutes. So now, let's see. Let's delete these because we're just focusing on one item today. Cool. We have the buy now. How are we able to buy this? How they're going to be able to purchase it? Remember, I mentioned earlier about Gumroad and uploading your products on here. Now, I'm not going to go too crazy into the Gumroad detail, but when I say the step process is very easy, for the sake of this, we're just going to simply cover the copy and paste the Gumroad URL. Oops. The Gumroad URL and just leave it as that. So what happens from this is when they select buy now, it takes them to how the Gumroad page would be. Grab a copy here today. Grab yourself a copy today. And literally this is basically it. So now when you want to save, you hit save here. You got to give it a title. Let's call it the wordsmithery and call it a copywriting online service. I'm going to say publish to a Carrd.co URL. We're just going to call it wordsmithery. Now this is what I wanted to show as well. So as you know, this is the free version. With the free version, the URL is going to always end in the domain, subdomain at .carrd.co. You're more than welcome to purchase a domain from GoDaddy and those other ones if you want, and then have it forward and linked so it could be professional. But for just simplicity, for cost efficiency and effectiveness, you could simply use this. So because it's available, wordsmithery.carrd.co, we're simply going to hit publish. Oh, we have an unfinished element. Let's go to the element and see. Oh, okay, perfect. So we can easily delete that. All rights reserved can easily be edited. Saying courtesy of the business, iNet Enterprises. So that should do it now. Let's see, publish, cool. Boom. So as you could see, it's publishing. And our very first site, like I said, is wordsmithery.carrd.co. Now, like I said, this is just a quick, hyperspeed covering the format type video, but I wanted to see the potential you can do when you really sit down, take some time, and build a site out for yourself. You see wordsmithery, you scroll down, you can scroll down if you want. Boom, folder, see here the business. Like I said, everything here can be edited to your creativity. Remember, your creativity knows no limit. Be better read these copywriting tips. Ebook, you hit learn more. The cost of the product is $5. They hit buy now, and like I said, I didn't set up the Gumroad, but when you do hit buy now, because I have the Gumroad link as an alternate option, you hit buy now. Oh. Good to know. It didn't do it. Let me just do a quick edit right quick. Let's see. Where are you? Here we go. Oh, it didn't pick it up. That's why. Okay. Cool beans. Let's hit www.gumroad.com. We're going to hit done. We're going to publish it again because you always have to publish. I'm going to close this one out and then view it again. and then simply scroll back down to that product for sale, and it should take you to the gumroad.com as we talked about. So, like I said, once everything is set in stone, you have your wordsmithery site. You scroll down, you hype it up. Like I said, you can always edit that to your liking. It's just simply how simple and easy it is just to create your own landing page, and if you had a digital product, to just upload it and have Gumroad take care of it and handle all the sales. This part, of course, you could do whatever you want. You could even add a email marketing campaign if you wanted to. So get in touch. You could have them subscribe if you want, to have them join your newsletter. And if you need any assistance or guidance of possible great email marketing platforms you can use, check out the links down below. I have them addressed. And with that being said, yeah, that's basically it. That's how simple and easy it is to get started with your own landing page in Carrd, and having a digital product uploaded in Carrd and have it transferred to Gumroad. And like I said, this wasn't no level of coding whatsoever. This was simply plug and play, drag and drop, very user friendly, very easy to understand. I welcome this to everyone pursuing this. And like I said, with that being said, there you have it. So I hope you found this to be very helpful and very informative. And remember, there are plenty more tutorials on the way. So my simple request is just be sure to like the video, subscribe, share the video with others, just to stay up to date on all our latest resources. And of course, thanks again for tuning in. Until then, see you next time.